Right here, I have a 2-set bar stool from Furna Living, and this is my honest review. This is a 2-piece setup, and this comes in a bunch of different colors. This one is the black, and honestly, my first thoughts when I sat down in this is how much padding there is. This is such a thick material, so I'm not bottoming out on there. Feet feel very comfortable rested up on this stand, making this perfect for islands, bars, restaurants. This actually ranges from 26 inches all the way to 32 in height with just a simple lever here on the bottom. This probably took me less than 10 minutes to put all these together, and you don't need any tools. You do have to use an Allen wrench, but that comes in the kit, so you don't need anything on your own, which I always love when brands do that. They just make it as easy as possible for you to assemble everything. It's really straightforward. The directions are very easy to follow. Now, talking about this seat. So as I have this seat in front of me, I absolutely love how this is a 2-piece setup, and you get the matte black finish for the frame on the back, and it is a disconnected look, and it has a very nice curvature to it that's really ergonomic and just feels good. I love how it does have like a wing back feel to it, so when you are swiveling around in this chair, it's gonna keep you like hugged in because it's gonna hug against your ribs, but it's nothing that's too tight. A lot of padding, and I love the tuft look on here. So this material is actually a faux leather, but it is a very high quality faux leather. This material is anti-scratch and it's waterproof. And ultimately, if you're looking for a bar stool set, this is the one you want to get. You're going to be very happy with it. I was really surprised with the quality as soon as I put it all together. It's very easy to assemble, and the quality was just spot on. I was really impressed for the price. You are getting a very, very nice bar stool set. The base is very sturdy, and it has a matte black base as well with a really nice footstool. And overall, I'm very happy with this set. I think that if you put this in your home, cafe, restaurant, in your basement, you have like a little bar set up, I think that these are really gonna hit home, and people are gonna love how comfortable they are. If you have guests over, they're definitely gonna comment on how nice these are, how good they hold you, and how comfortable they really are. So overall, I highly recommend these. Go and check them out. Don't forget to add them to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.